If you are a civil engineer, architect or structural engineer, then please don't skip this video. Hi friends, I am Engineer Nikhil Nagpure, Director of Dwelltree Constructions Private Limited, and I am here to share an announcement with you. Basically, our company works in building planning and design consultancy firms in residential and commercial projects. We provide affordable consulting services for mid-budget residential and commercial projects under the scheme called Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. And I am here to invite you to join the chain. Yes, we are going to open around 10,000 agency outlets of Janata Abhiyanta Yojana all over India. So if you are a person who is interested in business, or a person who have already lost his job due to pandemic, or a person who is not getting the job because of this pandemic, or the students who are average in their career academy, okay, so anyone can join this chain. Anyone can open the agency outlets in their related area or hometown. So guys, first let's see what is Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. So friends, welcome in the world of Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. So first, let's see what is Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. Janata means people, that is we are. Abhiyanta in the sense engineer, again we are. And the Yojana means scheme. So this is the scheme which relates in between people and the engineer. This is for the betterment of the society, the construction going on in the society by the peoples. So proudly Dwelltree Constructions can say that this is the first ever affordable engineering consulting scheme for mid-budget home constructions. So Janata Abhiyanta Yojana basically focuses on mid-budget home constructions and provide engineering consulting schemes, that is the solutions, engineering solutions for the mid-budget home constructions. So guys, what we do actually in this Yojana? In Jai, we are trying to solve the construction issues of people, that is Janata, by providing them affordable consulting solutions through engineer, that is Abhiyanta. Our aim is to provide every possible solution to small and medium building projects in towns and villages so as to improve their dream project values in all aspects. Ultimately, this Yojana works on issues in building construction like better planning, designing, aesthetic values, safety, cost management, estimation and valuation, etc. Then what services we provide? So if someone, anybody wants to construct his home, doesn't matter whether it is ground floor, G+1, G+2, whatever, but anybody wants to construct his home, he needs these services, that is floor plans, dimension plans, furniture plans, Vastu Shastra layouts, complete STD, that is structural design and drawings, working drawings, electrical, plumbing drawings, drainage, sanitary, door details, windows details, kitchen OTA details, exterior, interior, landscaping. There are a lot of services to be provided. Okay, but what happens is most of the people cannot afford these services. They are not ready to pay for these services as the market price is very high. But these services we provided in very affordable pricing in under the Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. Okay, so these are the services. These are not very new services. These are actually existing services in under any building planning and design consultancy firm. But our BPDC firm, that is Building Planning and Design Consultancy firm, provide these values, these services in very low or effective cost in the market. Okay, compared to others. Guys, this is the scenario or survey in construction types in India. See, this is the green part, that is middle class residential. We believe that around 67% construction going on are middle class residential projects. Around 5%, that is red color, that is the high class residential projects. These are, we are talking according to particular cities, towns and villages. Okay, we are not considering here all over India. This is our survey regarding some cities, right? 15% projects are commercial projects. This is in yellow color, 15%. You can flat scheme is also under these commercial projects, and around 13%. These are the poor class residential projects. Okay, this purple color. So this is our survey. If someone may have some other thoughts about this. Okay, but this is our survey according to some cities. So what are the homeowner and engineer relations? According to us, around 12% homeowners are interested in consulting services and they are also ready to pay for the services. Around 81% people are interested but they cannot pay for the services. And around 7% people who are not interested at all in the consulting services. So guys, around 81% market is willing to pay but can't afford the current market cost charged by an engineer. This is we are talking regarding any city, any village or any town. So this is the opportunity. We can see the opportunity over here. That huge market with 81% share is waiting for you. And we are offering you the opportunity to grab it. Okay, so if you are a business person, at any time if you are interested in business, this is the opportunity and you have to grab it. Be our agency partner of Janata Abhiyanta Yojana scheme and you can grow your wealth in your own town, at your own hometown. Okay, so this is the chance and it's all up to you that whether you grab this opportunity or not. But I can see this 81% market share, that no one is looking at this 81% share right now. Okay, so what are the benefits of Jai agency outlets? First of all guys, there is no requirement of hardcore technical skills. Okay, so if you are an average student or you don't have that much technical skills or you don't have that much on-site experience, then also you can handle the Jai agency outlets easily. There is no need of huge experience. It means that if you are a just pass out student, then also you can handle Jai agency outlet with us, no issue at all. Zero or low investment required. That depends on whether you are going to open your own office or you are working from your home itself. Whether you are a fresher or whether you are an experienced person, according to that your investment may vary. But that investment will not cross even 40,000. Okay, total costing 40,000. It will be lower than that. It can be start easily and anywhere. Yes, it means that you can start it at your hometown or you may start it in the city of your choice. No problem at all. Who can start agency? Any civil engineer, structural engineer or architect can start his agency. He or she, if he or she have experience, it's a good thing. If he or she is fresher, no problem at all. We will handle all the doubts and all the problems you are facing. Okay, company will completely support you. Where can you start agency? Simple, at your hometown, whether it is village, town, city, metro city, doesn't matter at all. You can start it anywhere. Or you can also start in the city of your choice. It is not mandatory that it should be your hometown. It's all up to you that where you want to start your agency. So guys, what will be the responsibilities of agency? Let's see this. This is very important. First of all, client handling and conversion. Suppose now you have started the agency in your hometown. So the clients in your hometown, at your hometown place, who wants to build their house, ground floor, G+1, G+2, whatever the building type is. So all residential projects clients that you have to handle and you have to convert them through Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. You have to tell them the benefits of the engineering services, and also you have to tell them that how affordably we are providing all the services to you. Okay, and you have to convert them. Then you have to make the deal. You have to collect all the data like plot area and what are the dimensions of the plot, direction of the plot, road direction of the plot, etc. Okay, we will give you the training about that. So you have to collect all the data. You have to understand what are the client's requirements, that is what actually he wants, whether he want 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom, what size of hall he needs, okay, whether he want a puja room or not, store room or not, duplex, is it duplex or ground floor pattern, okay, where he wants garden, how much area he wants to invest in garden, how much area he wants in parking. So like that you have to collect all the understand all the requirements of the client. Then you have to transfer all the data to the company, that is Janata Abhiyanta Yojana head office, and then you have to handle the payment with the client. Okay, so you will handle the payment with company also and the client also. You will be the mediator in short. Then what will be the responsibilities of the company? First of all, as you know that we are providing affordable consulting services, so obviously there are more chances to convert the client, and client will love to join us rather than other engineers. We will provide you full technical support. Whatever problems and doubts you are facing, we will help you to solve it. Area branding and through digital marketing, we will look up to the digital marketing area branding, okay, in your area, so that the more and more people will connect you, lead to you, okay, and that will help you to make more conversions. And time effective services, of course every client wants his documents as early as possible, so we take care of this, that we should provide all the documents, all the services in time. Okay, so guys, this was all about the Janata Abhiyanta Yojana. I will say that once you build your contact in the market, that once the people know that you have a Janata Abhiyanta Yojana agency and you provide very affordable services, then you don't have to work much every year. Okay, your contacts will work for you and your profit forever, which means that once you made your contacts, then they will suggest other clients also that please go to Janata Abhiyanta Yojana and use their services. They provide awesome services. Okay, so this is the one-time investment and forever earning. Okay guys, so how will you apply for Janata Abhiyanta Yojana? It's very simple. This is the link we have given over here. You have to copy this link or write it down, and when Google it, this link, then you will find a form. You have to fill up that form and send it to us. We will come to know that you are interested in Janata Abhiyanta Yojana agency. So that's it all about Janata Abhiyanta Yojana guys, which is powered by Dwelltree Constructions Private Limited. And thank you very much for listening this video carefully. I suggest you that if you are interested in Janata Abhiyanta Yojana, then please apply for it. In upcoming 6 months, we are targeting that we are going to open around 10,000 agency outlets all over India. So, and more importantly, that in one area there will be only one agency, depends on how bigger area it is. Okay, so if you want to open the Janata Abhiyanta Yojana agency in your area, so be quick. Okay, thank you.